Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you meet essentials: raw blocks logged in, Brookhaven open, and an avatar with custom emotes equipped. Once done, pick a private server or an empty public lobby so other players don't interrupt the trigger. Next, position your avatar standing straight and facing a simple background. This reduces animation clipping. Make sure the emote or animation pack is active in the avatar editor, and keep the emote hotkey or menu handy, because you'll trigger it immediately. You now perform the core sequence. Open the emote menu and select the hands-on hips pose or the closest available pose. Immediately step forward about 0.5 studs, then stop and hold. This short motion helps the rig register limb placement and prevents T-pose snapping. While holding, adjust your camera to roughly 30 to 45 degrees for clear arm and torso alignment. This makes the silhouette look natural in screenshots. If timing matters, practice a 3-count rhythm to sync movement with the emote activation. You finish by holding the locked pose for 3 to 5 seconds, then capture screenshots or record video while the pose is stable. If you see arm jitter or animation stutter, first re-equip the animation pack, then relog and re-enter Brookhaven. Often a fresh spawn clears state issues. If problems persist, switch to another server or test with a default avatar to determine whether the avatar package causes conflicts. One troubleshooting tip: toggle emotes off and on before trying again to force a reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.